In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix it when your Amazon Fire Stick keeps freezing or running slow. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if your Fire Stick is frozen right now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is turn off your TV and then unplug that Fire TV stick from power and wait about 5 to 10 seconds and then plug it back in. This is called a power cycle and it can fix most freezing issues instantly. Whenever you're back on the home screen, go ahead and open up your settings. You could do this just by going all the way over to the right and hitting this little settings gear right here. Once you're in your settings, scroll down a little bit. What you're looking for is your application section right here. Open it up and go to the manage installed application section. You may have to enter in a PIN. But once you're in manage installed applications, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is open it up and then you're going to see all of your apps on here. To clear your cache, just highlight an app, press the rewind button, and then go ahead and confirm just like so. You could also press the play or pause to uninstall apps that you don't use anymore to free up space. But essentially, if your storage is full or you have too much, built up cache, that's why your Amazon Fire Stick could be freezing. Another thing that I would recommend doing is enabling offload if possible. This is just going to remove any unused apps when storage does get low. It's not required though. But then from here, go ahead and go back to your main settings page. And this time what you're going to want to do is look for this option that says My Fire TV. Open it up. And once you open it up, you're going to want to go ahead and go to this little about section right here. When you're in here, go down to check for updates, select this, and if there is any updates, it'll automatically update. If not, it's going to tell you it's up to date. Essentially, just do any updates if there's any available. And if you're still having issues, go back to this My Fire TV setting again, just by hitting the back button. And from here, go ahead and go to reset to factory defaults. This will remove all your apps, delete all your accounts, and reset all your settings. Only do this if nothing else works, but it will help you out nonetheless. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.